Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be trying out some viral makeup hacks, mostly the blush techniques. Now this blush technique where you apply a red lipstick under your foundation is all over the internet. This is the video that got viral. Now this video have many variations, so today I will be trying out some of them and let's check out if it really works or if it is just a hack. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the first video. Here you can see she is applying a red lipstick here, some here and some on her forehead. So let's see. There's no going back. Okay, so now you have to blend and then apply foundation. So I'll use my fingers. Okay, so let's move on to foundation. She also went ahead with like a contour, but anyway I do not use it, so if it works it must work like this only. So yeah. Nope, you need more foundation, so let's try. So this is how it looks now. As you can see, it looks beautiful. Yes, it does give that pink flush to your skin and it is looking beautiful, but in real life it is a little more red. That means you need to apply a little more foundation. Now considering I skip like bronzing or contour and all that stuff, still it looks beautiful. But the amount of foundation that I applied to hide that red lipstick, it would last me for a week or two, so you can imagine. And also I feel like it's waste of time, like a tint would do the same thing. So yeah, but it looks beautiful. You can go ahead and try if you like makeup and foundation. So yeah. So now let's move on to the next one. For the next one you need to apply the red lipstick like this, then blend and then go in with a foundation. So let's try. Okay, so blending is done. Now let's go in with a foundation. And this is how it looks. Now I feel like this is more cute and more practical because you can just apply red lipstick and then you can even go in with a BB cream and it will look very cute. So yeah, you can definitely try it. It is lot more easier and cute. So yeah. So let's move on to the next one. For the next one, you need to apply red lipstick only on your cheekbones. So let's try. And then again you need to blend. Again, once blending is done, you need to go in with a foundation. And then all you have to do is blend. So this is how it looks. Again, it is lot more easier, and yes, you can do this in your everyday makeup thing. So yeah, I very much like it. You can definitely try this out. Now overall, after trying all these 3 variations, I think first one I will never try again because it is waste of time and waste of foundation and everything. Second one is my favorite one because I like when you apply blush in this way because it looks very much cute, and if you like lighten the red lipstick, then I think you can go in with a BB cream and it will look very good and cute. And the last one, this also looks very beautiful and easy. You can again include it in your everyday makeup thing. So yeah, I had fun filming this video and trying out these hacks because they do work. Now second one is my favorite one. Let me know which one is your favorite variation of this blush technique. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.